Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We've got a lot of excitement. Just to let you know, we've done well over 100 shows now. We've got 5,000 viewers per week already, and many more, a lot on LinkedIn and through our social media, and also a lot just through our normal EuropaProperty.com website. So thank you all for watching the show. We really appreciate that. Like I said, well over 100 views or 100 shows already. We're going to jump right now into some exciting news from Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com. Just to let you know, we've got our magazines for MIPIM, EXPO Real, and MAPIT coming up. So let me know if you need it, if you'd like to put any information in or get involved with those magazines. Of course, all of our events for September, October on the way. All's looking good. So we'll take a 20-second break, and we'll be right back for action with Winston Norman, our editor of EuropaProperty.com. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing for the CEE region's flagship event for investors and developers, the Europa Property Investment Awards, which will be live and online October 20th and 21st. With a total of over 400 international and regional attendees, this event is not to be missed.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the headlines from the EuropaProperty.com website. Today we'll start in Budapest with some interesting news from M7 Real Estate. They've acquired the Terra Park office complex near Budapest on behalf of their M7 fund, and the purchase in line with the fund's strategy of targeting value add and core plus office, logistics and industrial investments in key Central European countries. The asset provides a total of 28,500 square meters in two buildings and is currently occupied by main national tenants including Infotech, Tikabo, Continental and Turk Telecom. And this park, Terra Park, provides short to medium term opportunities through the extension of existing tenant leases and the letting of vacant units. And M7 will also seek to improve the on-site services and improve the asset's sustainability credentials. So far, the fund has acquired 8 assets totaling 110,000 square meters in Hungary, Croatia and Poland, and the fund is almost now fully invested. The target size of the fund is around 100 million euros with leverage. Moving to Poland, and Panettone Park Wrocław S8 South is set to open this year. It's their 21st park in the Lower Silesia region. It will have around 18,000 square meters, and it's already attracted its first tenant, who will occupy around 4,600 square meters. At the beginning of this year, Panettone achieved the milestone of having completed 1 million square meters of industrial space in Lower Silesia. And according to Damian Kowalczyk, he says the Wrocław market enjoyed the second largest net demand in Poland in the first quarter of 2021. And the economic situation was unchanged going into the second quarter, which can be seen in our own operations. In the last 3 months, Panettone has found tenants for almost 100,000 square meters of space, and we are approaching 200,000 square meters this year. The enormous business potential of Wrocław, so confirmed by the Global Cities of the Future ranking, is the driving development of the entire region. So some very good news for Wrocław there, and the region looks very, very promising from a logistics angle. The new project is being built in accordance with Go Earthwise with Panettone, which is incorporating all their environment standards and sustainability innovations. And the park is scheduled to open in December this year. Staying in Poland and in the logistics sector, an MLP group is to build a BTS facility with a new customer at MLP Park Poznan West. The target area of the new building is 23,000 square meters, and the new tenant will lease 13,000 square meters. The building is being built in accordance with the company's latest trends and environmental standards. The project will be built with BREEAM requirements. Moreover, it will have sustainable options and implement green solutions such as solar PV panels. The delivery of the finished facility is scheduled in the fourth quarter of this year. And finally for today, Heimstaden, the Swedish company, is entering the Prague rental market. It's acquired the first of 164 units under construction in Prague's Holoszowice district as part of the Pergamenka project from developer FINEP. FINEP will build the 164 fully equipped apartments for Hampstead on a turnkey basis. And then when the apartments are expected to be fully occupied by early 2024, and the Swedish company is expected to pay around 1.2 billion Czech crowns for the Prague portfolio. And according to Jan Rafa, CEO of Hamstaden, we want to continue to be the market leader in rental housing in the Czech Republic, not only in the size of our portfolio, but also in the quality and stability of our services. Offering rental housing to customers in Prague has been a big ambition of ours from the beginning, and I'm glad that we have succeeded in our first investment. And those are the main headlines from today. For more news, please go to our website, EuropaProperty.com, where we'll be updating throughout the day. Thank you very much.
Winston, thank you for all the great information today. We've got a lot more news on EuropaProperty.com, so we thank you for watching the show and enjoy the rest of the day. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.